Continue. Limited work. The custom is not to do time-consuming work on Tisha B'Av up until Chatzos. For example, one should not clean the house or mop the floor for extended period of time. This is in order not to be distracted from the mourning. The work that is permitted, for example, listening to the business news momentarily on the radio, will not result in a source of blessing for the recipient. Okay, so we're going to read one more time, and I'm going to add some things. A girl who makes a day camp on Tisha B'Av should accept the money as a gift and not as a payment. Okay, so let's try to understand. Usually we do not work. I'm not sure why he does not say. So even though, like, halachically speaking, the work is not forbidden, but I would say until until we finish with all of the prayers, if you're going to go to your job, like after these prayers, maybe you're going to come after lunch or something. It depends how far is your job, but maybe after lunch. Like we finish like 11:30, it depends. Okay, so okay, so and I would say just say whoever did not properly mourn on Tisha B'Av would not see Chas v'Shalom the rebuilding of Beis Hamikdash, right? So you did not mourn for destruction. So I mean, measure for measure, a person would not see rebuilding Chas v'Shalom. So we try not to work. So proper, even though he does not say, but proper not to work. But if person needs to work for whatever reason, only after Chatzos, after the midday, Jewish midday. Okay. So and even in the house, so they say don't do any housework and stuff like that. But he does not say here. But we have a minhag, actually, that women start actually working. Men also they clean the house because it's a proper time for Mashiach to come. Right, so we try and like mourn until the middle of the day, and then now we get up and we want to rebuild the Beis Hamikdash. We're ready to accept Mashiach. Okay, continue. So the last thing he said, a girl who makes a day camp, right, on Tisha B'Av should accept the money as a gift, not as a payment. So meaning if this lady worked as a counselor or something, right, in this camp, right, so she, as we said, there is no blessing on this money, right, there is no blessing on the money. Is it curse on the money? I don't know, but I mean, as we said, I think it is, right, so but she had to work. I mean, somebody had to watch these children. It's not like she was doing it because of the money, but okay. So accept it as a gift. So there is some leniency.